दूसरी तरफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया के उलमा कौंसिल ने सिडनी में पुरअमन नमाजियों के साथ पुलिस की धक्कमपेल की शदीद मजम्मत की है। इमाम शादी अल सुलेमान ने कहा कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया पुलिस का तर्ज अमल मजहबी तकद्दुस की संगीन खिलाफ वर्जी और इंतहाई तकलीफदेह है और इसे कतई कबूल नहीं किया जा सकता। मुंडी में दहशतगर्द हमलों के बाद भी मुसलमान यहूदी बरादरी के साथ खड़े थे और हम गजा में मजलूम फलस्तीनियों पर हो रहे मजालिम के खिलाफ भी खड़े हैं। इमाम कौंसिल ने कहा, इसराइल के सदर का जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया का दौरा करने वाले हैं वो भी जंगी जराइम और नस्लकुशी में मुलविस हैं और उनका ऑस्ट्रेलिया में खैर मकदम नहीं किया जा सकता।
Thank you all for coming today. This is a joint conference between the Australian National Imams Council and the Lebanese Muslim Association Lakemba Mosque, representing the Australian Muslim community. We are appalled and outraged. We are appalled and outraged by footage from last night showing a group of peaceful worshippers being pushed and treated in a heavy-handed manner by the New South Wales Police while in a state of peaceful prayers. The conduct of the New South Wales Police represents a serious breach of religious sanctity. It is deeply distressing, unacceptable, and not reflective of Australia that we know and the values that we claim to uphold. This outrage and deep concern are shared by more than 1 million Australian Muslims and many more faith leaders across Australia. The Australian Jewish community is hurting after the terror attacks at Bondi.
Thank you and good afternoon, everyone. As Australians, the harmony of our country is paramount. As a multicultural society, social cohesion is an overriding value. Recently, that has all been tested, of course, by the ill-advised decision to allow President Herzog to visit, being one of the issues that has really tested us as a country and a society. There were many that cautioned against that decision, including, of course, many Australian Jewish people. Many hundreds, if not thousands, signed up, put their name to publications yesterday expressing their opposition. Connected, of course, to all of that, many Australians came out in force yesterday to express their opposition and concern, not only for what's unfolding in Gaza, the genocide, but also the visit of President Herzog, a very divisive figure in the world. And at a time when, for us as a country, social cohesion is so important, this has taken us backwards.